Today I'm excited to share with you a first look at the new RX7700 XT Frostpunk 2 Edition graphics card brought to you in partnership with Sapphire. This new GPU arrived just days away from the greatly anticipated launch of the game it's modeled after on September 20th, 2024. With attractive custom graphics and special features, this is one GPU you'll want to take a closer look at. If you haven't played Frostpunk before, I'll catch you up real quick. Frostpunk 2 is a city builder. Think civilization on an Arctic planet with a heavy dose of Hunger Games politics mixed in. It's your job to keep citizens from freezing to death while quashing rebellions from the various factions and growing the town of New London. Unlike 1990s civilization though, these graphics are quite a bit better, and the Sapphire GPU is perfectly designed to run this top-down game well in both 1440 and 4K modes. The GPU's customizations go from subtle tweaks like the inclusion of FP2 letters on the center of the angular velocity fan blades, to more overt customizations like the all-aluminum backplate with a steampunk design and burnt edges similar to the game. Even the box gets special treatment, far different than the normal Sapphire branded container of the 7900, 7800, and 7700 models. Even the signature Sapphire Red from the original 7700 XT gets updated to a unique orange glow, which perfectly complements the game. For you one-title gamers out there, the Frostpunk 2 Edition delivers even more valuable swag. From 3 collectible pin badges, unique FP2 keycaps with remover, and it even includes a digital code for the deluxe edition copy of the full game. Combined with AMD's other promotions, there are 2 additional game downloads at the time of filming, but ultimately it's over $180 worth of games and game codes included with your purchase. The RX7700 XT card features all the great gaming chops from the non-branded card, including 12 gigs of GDDR6 VRAM and AMD's new AI cores for advanced gaming and future AI workloads, while rocking the RDNA 3 architecture. People wanting to DIY their upgrade just need 240 watts of available power and 2 PCI Express 8-pin power connectors, far less than the more power-hungry brands out there. Keeping this card cool is an easy task for the 3 patented angular velocity fan blades designed to keep temps cool without sounding like a wind tunnel in your gaming room. The RX7700 XT is a great middle-of-the-pack card in the 7000 series lineup, easy on the pocketbook and delivering solid performance, with ray tracing in several games that support it. Combined with Sapphire's Trix software suite for overclocking and Trix Boost, you can use this dynamic resolution technology to tune in maximum performance, all while keeping an eye on temps and clock speeds. I'm excited to dive into the complex and immersive world of Frostpunk 2. This card is available right now on Amazon for $439.99 and other specialty online retailers. Game codes and digital rewards must be redeemed by November 30th, 2024. This has been John, the Net Guy, and now you know about the Sapphire Technology RX7700 XT Frostpunk 2 Edition.